I'm just going to show you how to sew on your little logo. For those people who want to knit a number of hats for their friends, you can get these little leather kind of logos from Etsy or Amazon, and you can get them in your brand. So what I'm going to show you now is how to put these on. So I generally will lay the hat flat and make sure and signal where I'm probably going to put it there. Now what you need to do is make sure that you have a needle that will actually go through the little logo. So get some yarn, make sure the yarn can actually go through the needle, because you do need a fine needle to sew on your little logo. So if you're going to put it there over, I recommend you just put it on the actual line. And so what I recommend you do is just bring that through, seal the tail of that, and then bring it up underneath. So you're a little bit into this particular purl stitch. Then just gently pull that through. Be careful not to tug it too hard, because they can break quite easily, especially with thick wool. And put that down underneath. Make sure you level it up nice and well. Don't pull it too tight, just enough to just make it sit correctly. Then just turn it over and go underneath, and then come up underneath here, and just so make sure it's nice and flat. That one just needs a little tug there underneath, and then that looks flat. So once it's flat, just bring that down and then seal it underneath, and then just snip. Okay, so that's your little